So SIBO, H. pylori, all these things, you have to understand why they come there. You can treat it all you want. If you take antibiotics or everything and you get rid of, and you take it and it kills all the bacteria in your gut, now you're leaving the defense wall for the gut open. So you have dangerous bacteria that can enter, okay, or begin to break down tissue. So you have to be very careful when you're using antibiotics or something like that. You're trying to treat the condition. The bacteria is there to do its job. It's there to break down proteins, essentially, okay, undigested proteins, and to break down matter that the body is not able to digest. Just like how fungus is called in when you have complex carbohydrates that are broken up, complex sugars, and they come to do the job. So you got to fix the whole body. You got to focus on the terrain. The terrain is what's causing these bacteria to come. So we got to address the root cause, not treat it, but address the root cause. And that means that clean the gut. You have interstitial lymphatic congestion in the gut. And this means that acids are not leaving the gut as fast as it should. So it's breeding the terrain for these bacteria to come in. So I would be, if you can do the fruits, I'll go on green drinks, but I'll use parasite herbs, parasite M, parasite C. I would also use herbs for worms as well, and clean the kidneys, clean the lymphatic system with the herbs, endocrine glands, bowels. Clean the bowel. Use a bowel strength tincture. Use a bowel cleanser. Okay, and you see a few weeks afterwards, you'll be able to tolerate the fruits, because once you clean the body will now won't be as allergic to the strong fruits, and you see that you'll be able to take the fruits and do the cleanse even faster. Okay, so that's what I would do. I would definitely deal with the whole body to focus on the SIBO.